Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0x80004005 on Windows 11 while updating, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Now scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on the Windows update corresponding to the troubleshooter. Now we have another command list. This is to reset Windows Update components. So copy this list of commands. Now search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Paste these commands here and hit enter. I'll tell you what these commands will do. First of all, they will stop the services associated with Windows updates. Then they will delete the Windows Update profile. Then they will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root 2 folders. They will register the DLLs. They will reset WinSock and finally they will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.